Menteri rang ba kejelau Conrad kongkal sangma haka nyau terik ujeliau hajar arpuar ulo ong bagi sorkar kala Khang Khyrdep lot gi Karkhana Coke Be-aiñ. Ndri ki bayok ban Plie kidei tang kitu ki balayok ke Jingbit ki baik ki badon yaki kot kisla ki babiang. Conrad kongkal sangma ulo ong bagi sorkar kelayat haka takelenti ban penek pensa kamariang bat kumjuk ban kentiu kayok kokot bat kidon ruki kendon bat kinongrim na kebenta ban yo aseng yaki Karkhana. Uloong ba kum bagilong ki Karkhana Coke ki belas Be-aiñ ladap batha baladap ruban Khang Khyrdep lu diki. Ndai tangi kitu ki bedan ki kot ki sla ki babiang bat ki belayo ek environmental clearance. Kleyo alat ban trekam bat ladadon kino ki Karkhana ki bandang mi nang ne syakmat ru on Khang Khyrdep bet yaki. Menteri rang ba ukermen scam bara kejing pedan kam yaki kor ki bor ke jok ke bamenta on lak ban pen urlong ya kejing pu jong ke sorkar jela kata ban penne kamariang bat ban kentiu lang ya kayo kakot.
Yes, in fact, we have been always stressing on the fact that the entire movement is towards balancing between the environment, which is ecology, and the economy. And that is the balance and the challenge that we keep working towards. And that is why there are guidelines and principles based on which certain industries can be set. As of now, in the state of Meghalaya, whichever coke plants which were set up illegally, they have been asked to shut down. They have been shut down. And only the ones that have got the paperwork, the environmental clearance, only those are being allowed to function. So therefore, I want to make the distinction that there's no question of any illegal coke plants functioning. And number two, as we move forward, we would want to see that more and better technology is used so that the environment aspects are reduced, while we also look at job creation and employment and ensure that the economy also is sustained. So therefore, the balance between these two is challenging, but as we move along with the help of technology, we are hopeful that we'll be able to achieve that. But to answer your question in one line, that there is no question of any illegal plants functioning. Any plant that functions illegally has been closed, and if anything, any other plants that try to come up will also be closed in the future.
Hakabayday bagajing peteng kipat ba bantang ye gidiang ban penmi ya urnga. Nakaliang Conrad kongkal sangma uloong baga sorkar kan chim kiai kene kebenta hakaba onlet ban ai jingikai bat jing pensyai kipat ba.
But we have made a start, and a lot of things are happening now, and it will take time for us to bring everybody on board. So we're not saying that we have managed to do everything that needs to be done. Of course, there's a lot to be done, but this is where we start. And of course, the awareness part is an ongoing process. And you're right, we need to make sure that we are able to create as much awareness as possible in the system.
Hakabayday bagajing dawa ki babuan badai ban penstet gajing toket halor gajing ja ba ukpau le penyap elaki arngut ki kuon ki bedang rit karta. Nakaliang Conrad kongkal sangma uloong ba an sabetha ki bor ki bedai kmi bagi deban penstet gajing toket halor gajing ja bat bikin yoru ya gajing bishar ke bohok.
Yeah, whatever the situation is, justice must be done, and definitely we'll ask the team and the officials to ensure that speedy inquiry is done in the matter.